Over the next few months, about 5,000 Platte County residents will have to sign a petition to put a quarter-cent sales tax on the November ballot. It would create the Platte County Children's Fund that would help pay for mental health care services for young people that Dennis Meyer says is badly needed.
The wait lists were extraordinarily long, that the turn-away numbers were very high, that the cost of services was unaffordable for a lot of people.
That's why Meyer and Beacon Mental Health CEO Tom Patrizio are working together in Platte County to do what they've already done in Clay and Jackson counties. Those communities have their own children's funds, raising millions of dollars every year for a long list of mental health care and counseling options. Tom says they intervene with people younger than 19 years old before they're in crisis.
Because then those children are not going to an emergency room, they're not going to an inpatient facility of some kind. It's possible that that's been diverted, which is helpful. It makes the community healthier in a way.
The Platte County Commissioners, though, see it differently.
It's dangerous to trust a committee of unelected government officials with spending millions of dollars and deciding what our children need for their mental health.
Commissioner Joe Vanover says he views a tax like this as a step towards universal health care, and that parents should be responsible for getting care for their kids. If the tax passes, the Platte County Children's Fund would have a board that's appointed by the county commissioners to evaluate applications for the money that's raised through the tax. Dennis and Tom say that process is regularly audited.
But there's no sunset on this tax. It's going to go on for years and decades. And we just don't know who will be the next group of committee members that will make these decisions about what your children need for their mental health.
Gail Clompton says he's generally in favor of a tax like this, but he'd want to learn more before going to the ballot box.
Don't want to raise it too much because, you know, I live on a fixed budget right now.
One big unknown in Platte County is what taxpayers here will have to give to expand a jail facility, which is already well over capacity. The final price tag for that project could come soon, and that could be another tax that voters weigh in on either in August or November.